Next, conversion of galvanometer into voltmeter. So voltmeter is nothing but a instrument. It is used to measure the potential difference across the any 2 points in the electric circuit. So potential difference means amount of work done to move the unit positive charge from one point to another point. Again is the electric field. That is a potential difference. That potential difference will be measured by the voltmeter. And it should not draw any current from the circuit, otherwise the value of potential difference, that means measured value of the potential difference, will be changed. Okay, and our voltmeter having the high resistance, it connected to the parallel, so it will not draw the any appreciable current, so that it will indicate the correct potential difference. Okay, this is a conversion. So galvanometer is connected to the high resistance in series. So a galvanometer is converted into voltmeter by connecting high resistance in series with the galvanometer. Now the scale is marked in volt, and our range of voltmeter will be depends upon the value of the high resistance connected in the series. So this value of resistance, this high resistance will be adjusted so that the current passing through the galvanometer Ig will produce the full scale deflection in the galvanometer. அப்போ இங்கே full scale deflection வரதுக்கு we are adjusting the high resistance RH. Here Rg be the resistance of the galvanometer and Ig be the galvanometer current which produce a full scale deflection. And since here galvanometer is connected in the series with the high resistance, so current in the electric circuit will be same as the current passing through the galvanometer. So current in the circuit is I, galvanometer current is Ig. So I is equal to Ig. We know I is equal to V by R. So potential difference by total resistance. Here since galvanometer and high resistance are connected in series. So our total resistance will be found by the RV is equal to Rg plus RH. Because it is connected in series, the effective resistance of the voltmeter RV is equal to Rg plus RH. Okay. Next we need of current Ig. So I is equal to V by R. So our effective resistance RV is equal to Rg plus RH. So here I is equal to V by RV. Okay. So V by RV is equal to, we know as the Rg plus RH. So from this cross multiply, we are getting RH is equal to V by Ig minus Rg. Rg. Here the deflection in the galvanometer is proportional to galvanometer current Ig. Deflection in the galvanometer proportional to the galvanometer current Ig. But the galvanometer current is proportional to the potential difference. Okay. So from this we can write deflection in the galvanometer will be proportional to the potential difference. Here deflection in the galvanometer is proportional to galvanometer current Ig, but galvanometer current Ig will be proportional to potential difference. From these two we can write theta is proportional to V. That means deflection in the galvanometer is proportional to potential difference. Deflection of the collimator is proportional to potential difference. So here the resistance of the voltmeter is very high. So our voltmeter is connected in the electric circuit. We will draw the only least current in the circuit. So for an ideal voltmeter, it must possess the infinite resistance. Okay. Some important aspect. So voltmeter having the higher resistance instrument, and it always connected to the parallel with the circuit. That means in the external circuit, voltmeter must be connected in the parallel. Okay. And which can be measure the potential difference. And ideal voltmeter having the infinite resistance. And our range of voltmeter, we want to increase the range of voltmeter as the n times, the value of the connected resistance will be R is equal to n minus 1 into G. Okay. The resulting voltmeter range wants to increases as the n times now. The value of the connecting high resistance will be R is equal to n minus 1 into G. R is equal to n minus 1 into G. Okay. These are all about the conversion of galvanometer into voltmeter. So our galvanometer is converted into voltmeter by connecting the high resistance in series with the galvanometer. That's all.